In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our newest template, your Ultimate Meal Planner, which we created in Notion. My wife and I found the recent turn of events really useful to improve our health. All of this while saving time with meal planning. At the end of the day, meal planning takes the stress out of the process quite a bit. Even if you're new to the world of meal planning, the system is pretty user-friendly for you to get started. Statistics show that meal planning also reduces the food costs by as much as 23%. 78% say they waste less food because they only buy the food that they need. At the end of the day, with a proper meal planner, you can eat better food, stay healthy, avoid stale or spoiled food. You can save money and time. You can eat together more often. You can be more structured and avoid quick rushes or order-ins. We've been using this product for some time now, and it's benchmarked to some of the best meal planning products available in the market now. For my wife, the meal planner system helps her manage the kitchen, the groceries, and ease of cooking. For me personally, it's helped me manage my weight and my overall well-being. And of course, it keeps my energy levels high throughout the day. We broke down this meal planner into 5 broad areas. We wanted a calendar so that we could plot what we wanted to eat on various days for all our meals. In addition, we also built in the possibility of recording how many times a month we actually ordered in food or we ate out. My wife had a ton of recipes that were handed down or recommended from family or friends, and she wanted to maintain this in a meal planner. We wanted to capture the ingredients required for a particular meal and whether we needed to go to the supermarket in time to pick these up so that on the days of the preparation we have stock of them. We also found that there were items that would only be available in season, so we maintained a quick database of those as well. Some items required prior preparation in advance, so we wanted to make sure that we put that up into the planner as well. For example, we liked preparing homemade seasoning for food or prepping the food itself the earlier day. And of course, all of the buy items for our ingredients we needed were handed down into a shopping cart. The calendar and planner is one single database. We developed the calendar and planner as an extension of our Ultimate GTD system. And with that feature, it provided us the ability to set up reminders, recurring meals, capture the meal type, the breakfast, lunch, dinner, or the snack, the option to mention whether it's a cook, a go to a restaurant, or order in. If there is a prep for the food, the prep date would automatically be pulled in along with the prep notes. And the recipe was available with minimum number of clicks. By setting up recurring meals, I could manage my diet and weight easier. That also meant that I could get a cheat day whenever I needed to. This also helps you jot down any going out day with family or friends. If you consult a nutritionist or a doctor, you can always put down a specific meal plan into the meal planner as well. The flexibility of the system allows you to move the meals around, and you don't necessarily have to be regimented in the approach. At the heart of any tasty meal is the recipe. We've added a gallery view to this so that it entices you with your favorite picture. In this view, you will see the rating that you gave the recipe, the amount of time it takes for prep and cooking, a link to the website, or the name of the person who recommended this to you. If you open up the recipe section, you will see data like the cuisine, the ingredients, some of the tags, sources, prep time, and of course the ingredients themselves, the direction, and the notes you've kept on the recipe. At the database level, we've divided this into 2 parts. Some fields capture the basic facts, and of course the others capture the nutrition facts per serving. Needless to say, you can attach the PDF document to the recipe for quick access. I also use a hack called Text Sniper on my Mac, which can capture text from pictures or PDFs. All of this is by using optical character recognition. That way, I don't have to really type in the recipe manually. This is really useful when you're picking up data from scanned recipes that you already owned. Needless to say, since your palate could be unique, you can adapt any recipe to make it your own. The recipe is integrated into the ingredients with a marker for seasonal produce, with the quantity of those ingredients required. If you currently have stock of these, then you could mention these under available and storage. If you need to buy it, you could straight away add it into your shopping cart. Another use for this ingredients section used in conjunction with the recipe planner is to quickly fix a meal with leftovers. You could in fact have an entire set of recipes just based off leftovers. The fact that we love to eat stuff that's available in the season helps us build a seasonal produce tracker by month and link this back to our ingredients. We linked back the food group from the ingredients into the seasonal produce table as well. We wanted to accommodate the fact that several things required pre-preparation for the day of cooking. For example, we use spices that are homemade, and these are prepared days in advance. Some food required fermentation for 12 to 24 hours, and that required us to put it into the calendar. With a column number of days, we could plan this well in advance. Finally, things come down to availability on the day of cooking. So the shopping list became essential. We recognized that people had specific preferences when it came to buying things from a specialized shop versus any other alternative. By integrating this into the planner, it allowed us to see how many days we have left before we needed to procure the ingredients. And this was smartly incorporated to ensure that the earliest ingredient required had the timestamp on it. Since the list is organized by grocery store and then by food group, you can save yourself time by going to that specific food section as you are shopping using the Notion app on your mobile. To have minimal disruption, we created a getting started guide. This explains each table and each database in a great level of detail, along with all the fields, so you don't really have to depend on anybody else to set it up. The product is now available for sale on our website, and you can find a link in the description below or by clicking here on the QR code. We have incorporated the entire system to avoid rushing to the store to pick up bits and bobs in a rush. So through this implementation, we've tried to incorporate all the tenets of a great calendaring system, a recipe manager, a health tracker, and a shopping list into a single app. We look forward to your continued feedback to take this app to even greater heights. If you're not yet part of this community, do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified of new videos. If you like the video, do consider sharing it with your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, peace.